But first up tonight, look, Cabinet's decision not to proceed with an appeal to the Federal Court live export ban ruling is a major win for the National Party and for common sense. And gee, don't the Nats need a win right now? While Attorney General Christian Porter argued strongly that an appeal was justified on the basis that the government had to take a stand for legal reasons, it was pretty clear that the emotion of the debate was firmly in favour of the graziers affected by this stupid decision. The fact that the federal court judge singled out former Agricultural Minister Joe Ludwig's misfeasance was prescient. This was a knee-jerk decision taken by a desperate and reactionary government. Now, the coalition only had one decision: to back our farmers who had been put through enough without the prospect of another expensive appeal. Much has been said about the decline of the Nationals brand, with One Nation, the Catters and of course the shooters and fishers eating their grass. It started when New South Wales Nationals leader Troy Grant sided with the Libs to ban greyhounds. As then Nats leader Barnaby Joyce said, nothing good ever happens when you jump into bed with the Greens. Voters abandoned the National Party and they're still hurting from it today. Of course, the real villain in all this live export drama is the ABC and, of course, animal activists. They work together, joined at the hip, with activists illegally obtaining footage so that the ABC can then sensationalise it. And then, of course, the outrage from the left begins. They then storm farms, causing biosecurity issues, and pressure politicians and companies to fold, as Ludwig and Gillard did. I just wish they'd have a good steak and stop being so hangry. Reform is always important, whether it's the way we treat live export animals or the treatment of retired racehorses or greyhounds. Significant reform has been established in those areas. But what these zealots want, they want these industries closed. Make no mistake, they want them closed, forcing thousands of good Australians out of work and ending industries. Who knows who the ABC's next hatchet job will be? Whatever it is, we need to react coolly and calmly and initiate reform. Not do what Ludwig and Baird did and close down industries.